This class is going to be about hand embroidery. We're going to make this flower. You're going to stitch along with me. Embroidery is a great way to do something without looking at your screen, and just completely take your mind off something, or relax while having a podcast on or listen to some music. It's a great way to relax and impress your friends. It is really easy to learn. I will show you. I'm going over all the things you need, all the supplies you need, and you're going to stitch along with me, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make this piece. It is with 6 strands, and that means that it's a piece that is easy to make and it's not going to take weeks to complete. It is a fun way to learn about hand embroidery and to make your first or second or third flower. As you can see, I will bring you straight along with me. You will see from up close how to do the stitches, and you can just follow my hand, and in the meantime I will tell you the tips and tricks and how I do it and all the steps you need to know to finish this piece.